If you are struggling to read music or just have no interest in musical notation, then it's time to ditch the dots. And here is the solution. Welcome to Sax Express. This is Presto, a quick and simple system for playing the saxophone. Hi, I'm Paul Hollis. Welcome to Sax Express. This is an introductory video for my sax system. It's got to be the easiest system for learning songs on the saxophone, particularly if you are a beginner or someone who just has no interest in learning to read music. By the end of this short video, you will be able to play Scooby Doo. This is even if you've been playing for a very short length of time. My students usually have this and several others down within the first lesson. It's that simple. Okay, if you are new to this system, you will be amazed at how simple it is to pick up. 1 is simply the first key down with the first finger of the left hand. 2 is the first 2 keys down. For 3, we have the first 3 keys down with the left hand. 4, yes, you've guessed it, 4 simply has 4 keys down, 3 with the left hand, plus the first finger of the right hand. 5, notice how the previous keys remain down. 6 requires the first 3 fingers of each hand. And finally, this M symbol has a thick left leg to indicate that this uses the left hand middle key only. Now let's take a look at the notes for Scooby Doo. Let me just grab my sax. Pause the video here if you want to have a playthrough yourself. I hope that all made sense. You can get the free fingering diagram and Scooby sheets for this video from my website. I've put a link in the description below. You'll also be able to find other tunes in the system. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when more content like this is uploaded. If there's a relatively simple song you'd like me to do in the system, let me know in the comments below and I promise I will do my best. Why not share this video with other sax players you know? Look forward to seeing you soon.